Multiply any decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Before we start, like and subscribe. We are going to learn three parts: multiply by 10, multiply by 100 and multiply by 1000. We are going to start with multiply by 10. 6.7 multiplied by 10 is an example. We are just going to take the decimal and cross it out and we got a final answer. 67 is the final answer. And for another example, 3.97 multiplied by 10. We are just going to take the decimal and take it one number right and we got a final answer. 39.7 is the final answer. When you multiply two numbers in the decimal zone, you take the decimal one number right, like 3.97 is 39.7. Now we are going to switch to multiply by 100. 8.735 multiplied by 100. We are just going to take the decimal two numbers right and we got a final answer. 873.5 is the final answer. And for another example, 37.33 multiplied by 100. We are just going to take the decimal and cross it out, which makes it 3733, which makes it our final answer. When you multiply with 100, you just put the decimal two numbers right from it. Now we are going to switch to multiply by 1000. When you multiply by 1000, you just cross out the decimal and 10 from that number and add the zeros. 35.7 multiplied by 1000. You are just going to cross out the 10 and decimal and add the zeros. 35700 is the final answer. And for another example, 39.87 multiplied by 1000. We are just going to cross out the 10 and decimal and add the zeros. We got the final answer. 398700 is the final answer. I think it was a huge help to you. That's why you can ask for a part 2 in the comments. And it will be more explained and you'll get this part more better. And I'll be sure to make it. And I forgot to tell you, when I say cross out the decimal, I say it because the decimal goes after the last number. And that doesn't make any sense. If it goes after the last number, it automatically becomes a zero. That's why I say cross out the zero.